Hello students, welcome to Geometry School. So here I am going to present the solution of English grammar paper in front of you, which is there on 3rd of December 2022, that is of RIMC. Okay. So अगर आपको अभी भी कोई डाउट है, आपको लगता है कि पेपर नहीं क्लियर हो पाएगा, सो प्लीज़ अपना नेक्स्ट एग्जाम को क्रैक करने के लिए ज्योमेट्री हॉस्टल को ज्वाइन कीजिए. बिकॉज अगर आप हॉस्टल ज्वाइन नहीं करेंगे तो आपकी अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन नहीं हो पाएगी. 1 जनवरी से हमारे न्यू बैचेस स्टार्ट हैं. जल्दी से जल्दी कॉल कीजिए और अपनी सीट्स को फिक्स कीजिए. So here was the first question in front of you of English grammar. What you have to do in the following question, some part of the sentence may have errors. Read the sentences carefully to identify which part of the sentence has an error and select the appropriate option. If there is no error, then your answer will be no error. Okay. So the answer of these question is as follows. Okay students, so there are the answers of these 5 parts of question number 8. The answer of part A is option number 3. She is one of the least important persons in the office. ठीक है, तो एरर है आपकी पार्ट नंबर 3 में. बी पार्ट की अगर हम बात करें, हार्डली हैड द टीचर लेफ्ट द रूम देन द pupils started enjoying. Answer of this question is 4. That means no error. Error is in part 4. Okay, so I am going to mark your answers here. The part A, for part A the right answer is this, option 3. Part B, the right answer is option number 4. For part C, the then chairman, we don't say the then chairman. What we say the ex chairman. Okay. She walking hurriedly meant that she was in a raging rush. The right answer is D ka first part. She was walking hurriedly meant that she was in a raging rush. E part, the chief said that he did not want taking action. The right answer is option number 2. The chief said that she did not want to take action without listening to the reporter's version. Okay. Now moving on to the next question, that is we have question number 9 here. This is question number 9. Part A, the right answer is option number selfish. This is the right answer. What is the right answer here? The right answer is selfish. B we have frequently. Of C we have satiate. Answer of D is 4. And answer of E we have 2. Okay. Moving on to F G H part. Here it is F G H I. So now the answer of question number F. The right answer of part F is this one, report card. G we have the right answer, gender dynamics. For H we have option number 3 and for I we have option number 4. Okay. Now answer of J is, right answer of question J we have array. The right answer is array. K we have this. The right, it's partition, it's not partisan, it's partition. P-A-R-T-I-T-I-O-N. Clear? K L we have option number 4 as the right answer, to disposing of otherwise, because we have to show the disconnection here. Then for M we have option number 2 our answer. M we have option number 2 as our answer. Now moving on to N. So student, first of all I would like to give you the answer of question number N. Okay, answer of N, the right answer of part N is option number 3. What is the minor mistake here? Question was used, interrogative sentence, and O we have option number 2 as our answer. Okay, now moving on to next question number 10 part A. Children, the right answer of question number 10A we have option number 2. Okay. Moving on to part B. Now moving on to B part answer. The right answer of part B is first The right answer of part B is first one. C we have were trying, and D we have option number 1 as our answer. Okay, moving on to part E, F, G, H. So now the right answer of option number D is option A. Sorry, this one is the right answer. This one is the right answer for D, have estimated and was. Right answer of E we have 3, will have and have finished. Then we have F, the right answer of F is first one. He has not told his boss that he won't be coming back after his vacation. Then we have G, the right answer of G is first one. Okay. Moving on to the part number H. Right answer of part H we have, the right answer of part H is this, have finished and had arrived. For I we have visited, had moved, I visited Jerusalem. And for J we have option number D as the answer. Moving on to next question, that is question number 11. Okay students, the right answer of question number 11 is I am leaving. The right answer of this question is bye. No, though this is not the right answer. So if I talk about I am leaving out this time, the child hides behind his mother, because the options are not there, so you can place the suitable phrasal verb. The new bird is living well with the other ones. Let's enter the backyard and jump over the fence. The criminal was not able to deal with the murder. Matlab he was not able to deal with the problem of the murder. Okay. Question number 12. You have to rewrite the following sentences. Okay. So the answer of first one is I was requested by Margaret. I was requested by Margaret to meet her the next day. Clear? This is the right answer. In spite of my warning to Dev, he ignored me. Though I warned Dev, he ignored me. This is the right answer. It doesn't matter which chemical put into. The right answer is there will be no difference in the results. There will be no difference in the results. Whichever chemical you put in first into the mixture. Clear? This is the right answer. Now moving on to next, like I have never seen so many people in this building before. The right answer of this question is this is for the first time. So many people in this building. Clear? And the last, only a few books were remaining on the shelf when we left. So most of on the shelf when we left. Okay, most of the books were not remaining on the shelf when we left. This is the right answer. Moving on to 13, question number 13, we have the right answer of 13 is I requested my teacher to help me. Okay, the answer of first is I requested my teacher I requested my teacher to help me. Next, he said to me, you are lucky. He told me that I was lucky. Third, the children said to me, we will go out in the rain. The children told me that they would go out in the rain. The children told me that they would go out in the rain. And the last, D, the teacher said the school will remain closed tomorrow. The teacher informed us that the school would remain closed. The next, this is the right answer. The teacher informed us that the school would remain closed the next day. Clear? Moving on to question number 14. What you have to do in question number 14? Give the antonyms of the following. Antonyms, right answer of A means opposite you have to give: tiny, thorough, partial, wholesale, selective, consume, waste, and deliberate, unintentional. Okay, unintentional. So this was your solution of the paper. Students, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब द चैनल. अगर ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट डिटेल्स आपको चाहिए तो आप चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और जल्दी से बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिए, जिससे आप अपने इंपॉर्टेंट नोटिफिकेशंस, एग्जाम से रिलेटेड जो भी होंगी या आने वाली जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन होंगी आप गेन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड ऑल द बेस्ट.